Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Week ended today, Friday, November 2nd. So I'm making this video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Week started on the, I think it's like 29th. No trade on the 29th, and as usual. So this is the first one on the 30th, October 30. Pound USD 20-minute entry, beautiful by the book, and going down, same old story. This magic average system gives you, this was an entry, beautiful entry, this was an entry, same old. Similar pound Aussie, nice trade to the downside. That was my trade here, coming all the way here and then closing it, then retrace back to the upside here, and again boom, coming down here. These levels are very important. This is one of those big level. Okay, 81.30, 25. So it breaks a level and then goes back to the next level. I mean, goes down or up or whatever, and then it always retraces back to the broken level and then goes to the next level. Okay, so euro. Okay, now on the 31st, EUR-USD 20-minute, you can see how beautiful it is. I had one of these. I don't know. I think this was the one. This was the one I had, small one before, and then this one going down. Okay, on the again same. All the charts, all the trades from 20-minute. I stopped taking trades on other time frames because it just really doesn't. There's no need to. Okay, so stick to one time frame. That's it. It's enough. Here on 31st, again EUR-AUD. I got almost all of these trades to the downside. This one, and I'm not showing it here, but it was. So I showed it here, I showed it here, and because my weekly chart is keep telling me that we need to go down, and now I think today we got to a point. The number I think is 57.68, if I believe, and we may get a bounce from there. And the next week I might go in because Aussie dollar probably gonna get weaker because it went all the way to the upside. Okay, so on the 31st, again, this was pound Aussie with the pound of strength. Nice, this was down. I had my short from here to here, and then I got out and bouncing from here, going becoming turning bullish, and then this was my entry all the way to the upside. Of course, this was an entry, and this was an entry, and this was an entry. But if you catch one of those early entry, that's it. So you are safe, and you make some decent amount of pippage. That's why I'm always on top of these pairs to catch the early entry at the turn. Now, see, it's probably going to make a turn, and then I'll be catching early entry again to the downside. Okay, this was one of the beautiful trade. I closed much earlier, but it went all the way to the upside. Aussie yen I'm talking about. And November 1st, and then November 2nd, euro yen. With the yen getting weaker, all the yen pair went up. This is the only one actually I traded on the yen side. But it's okay. I'll catch them next week. And then on the first Euro Aussie, this one, look, this is the same one that I just showed you, but I closed a little bit, half of the position was closed, and half I let it run, and then finally got lucky. It went down even further, like I said, that it went down to 57.68 and then bouncing, and I believe that I have a long already set up there. I made an entry, and let's see what happened. But yeah, I'm expecting a bounce from 57.68 above. But yeah, the first target was 58.27, and then 57.68 was my second target, which we achieved anyway. This is the one on the second, the pound CAD. You can see very nice entry by the book. All of these were entries. See, we turned bullish here. We went the wave above the this red line here. That's it. This is a borderline. So we bounce. We come messing around with this wave, and then this was the first entry. This is the second and third one, and the one I took, and fourth one was still was working, but now the market is closed. So, but decent. So this is what it is. Very nice and clean entries. If you understand it, all you gotta do is just learn a little bit, which I teach in my webinars. I do webinars Wednesday and Sunday. It looks very easy, the forex trading I'm talking about, but once you get in, if you don't have a system with the rules, strict rules, trust me, you're not gonna make it, because you must have a system with very strict rule. You have to act like a robot. Don't let your feelings or your fear interfere at all whatsoever. If you are to lose 30 pip, 40 pip, if you make a decision before you entering the trade, and let it happen. Don't feel anything. Don't feel sad. Don't feel intimidated. Don't feel as a loser, or if you lose 20-30 pip, doesn't matter, because you can always catch the big one. And then let me show you. Here, this is my website, and this is all of these trades that I just showed you. These are this week. This one, 100 pip here, 170 pip. So what if you make an entry and you lose 20-25 pip and your SL hit? Wrong entry, fine, thank you very much, get out. But once you make this entry, and then what happened here? And especially if you know, especially I tell you that yes, this pair will drop 300, 400, 600 pip, then you just hold on to it, to the target. This one went up like 300 pip. Okay, and this one, you see, and let me see if this is 90 pip, but this is 130 pip on the last week. Okay, this is the last week. Look, pound Aussie, 130 pip. Here, 90 pip. This one, 75 pip. This one, 80 pip. Where's the big one go? This is the 70 pip. 220 pip. Right from the best level. 84.43 was a very strong level. It went up, it touches it, and then start dropping. I got in, and then there was a news to back up, and that's it. Okay, pound was getting weaker, and look what happened, all the way down, 220 pip. So this is how it is. It's just a matter of learning a little bit, and this is 170 pip right here. Both went down because of the Aussie dollar, and of course pound was getting weaker, euro was getting weaker, and Aussie was getting strong, and they both went down big time. This is 220 pip, this is 170 pip, same day. What else do you want? Show me if anybody else can do this. I mean, I'm not bragging or anything, but it is right in front of you. These are the setups, exact on the levels, and beautiful by the book setups. Okay, 60 to 48. If you want to know that why I took it and where is the 60 to 48, let me just show you. Euro Aussie, right? Okay, let's go to Euro Aussie, 60 to 48, right? We just saw 60 to 48. I'm going to show you where it is and why I take these trades. And you can do it so easily. 60 to 48. I don't want to forget it. 60 to 48. 60 to 48, right? Let me just write it down. Let me just show you that how easy it is, that if you watch these, learn few trades. I mean, few pairs, a couple of pairs, and that's it. I don't even have written here. Oh, I want to show you where 60 to 48 is. Okay, 60 to 48, 60 to 48, 60 to 48, right there. See, outstanding, standing alone, completely. It's outside. It's no other number around. That's 60 to 48. This one, 60 to 48. This one, both highs. Very, very important number. So what if you get, the price goes into there, touches it, and if it start dropping, you know that this is a very, very strong number. This is a very strong area as a resistance, and you're gonna drop, and you just drop, and back to the support here, right? Similarly here, if you look at the pound Aussie, it's 84.43. Why I'm taking short here and not here? Because I wanted to see if it goes there at the level, because these levels become like a magnet. Okay, 84.43, right? And a pound Aussie. Let's go take a look where it is. Just for the heck of it, just wanted to show you that why I'm taking these. And this is, by the way, this is a current chart that it's right there, and it's gonna bounce from here. If it bounce, it will go and make me a long setup. I'll take it. No big deal. No hanky panky. I'm not gonna trade. Actually opened the trade already, but It's very easy. I probably open a trade from the 7-minute chart. You can do that too, but I teach you everything, no big deal. 84.43, right? We're just talking about that number there, that I took this 84.43, and it is an H4 low, H4. Once in a while I use that, but you know, not all the time. 84.43 is not even mentioned here, but 84.43 is probably one of these numbers here. Let me see. 84.43 is somewhere here. 80. This is 84.74, something like that. 84.43. Okay. Oh, this is daily chart. Man, what's up? Okay. Okay, 84.43 was probably one of these numbers. These are the numbers. Okay, so see how nicely it is. It went up there. This is the low, high, again, came down here, and this is where I went short. And all the way down. This is how easy it is. If you pay attention, it's very, very easy. And but you know, I take the daily chart, 4-hour chart once in a while, but usually I take these numbers from off of my weekly and monthly chart. Okay, and this is what we are doing here. So yeah, this is how it is. You know, I do webinar on Wednesday at 4 p.m. and Sunday 4 p.m. and I teach everything: harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, this, that, blah, blah, blah. You know, all kind of. For example, if I have it here, I don't know if I have it on this pair. No, I don't have it. But this is what I do: is like I mark this a 33-minute chart. It's my guiding chart, and these are the numbers here: 86.65, 82.91. You see how beautiful the 81.37, very, very nice number, and the price just went went up, and right at the number, when you get an entry, that's it. Pound Aussie, this is a monthly high, 81.37. You want to know where it is? Monthly number, right there. See, 81.37. This is how it is, and see here you have no idea what's happening here and how far back this number is, but here you can see that it is coming into play. And once this is where it is, and on a 20-minute chart, the story is you can see very clear entry, and you make it. This is a 33-minute chart, by the way. Okay, and then bouncing exactly from one of the numbers, which is 78.53, right there, right? If you want to know where it is, 78.53 is right there. This is the low, 78.53. So I not only teach you how to do it and how this like highs and lows and all that, but I will give you my templates, every single chart, every single pair, and the index, pound index, euro index, yen index, and USD index, Aussie index, New Zealand index, all their weekly and monthly chart with all these bullets and numbers done already for you, lines and everything, right? All you gotta do is just add these templates into your MT4 template folder, and then open the chart, apply, and boom, on your computer you will have this. Then you gotta do is open 40-minute and 33-minute charts, and then draw these numbers just like I did, and wait for whatever the pair you want to trade. Just wait and then watch. And then not only this, I give you an alarm, magic IB alarm when you have it on. For example, I have it here. No, let me show you if I have it, how it goes. This is the alarm here. You see, you turn it on and it goes here, right? Now it's on. So as soon as you have a setup building, like for example this one, if it start bouncing here, the reversal candle comes up, this indicates all the way down, and the reversal candle in place, it will start beeping. Okay, and you will know. So you don't have to sit all the time in front of the computer. Just have these alarm on few trades, few pairs, whichever you want to trade, maybe 3 or 4 maximum. If you try to go every single pair, no, you're not gonna make it. Honestly, you have to master few pairs and then trade off of those pairs. And I'll give you the chart, even the 40-minute chart. If you ask me, I'll give you with all the numbers and the lines and everything done. And not only that, but time to time I give you my before charts. For example, here if you go on my website and you see these before charts, you will see them. These here you will see before and after, which are done already. It's just a public, but here I have a before chart. See this before new chart? This is for the subscriber. When I make a new chart, I post there, so you have it in front of you. So for example, I made this chart and I gave it to my subscriber that this pound yen is going to drop from here, and look what happened. Boom, it dropped, right? Similarly, pound index was supposed to drop and all pound pair will be dropping, all pound pair, and they did, because the index went down, right? Similarly, yen index is going to drop from here and yen will get strong and all the yen pair will be going down, and they did. Why? Because it dropped here, right from where I said it will. Okay, so this is butterfly patterns, harmonic patterns, and I have this Elliott wave count 1 2 1 2 3 4, and I had this one that is going to drop, and it did, right? Simple. And here again 1 2 3 wave 4, and we're supposed to get wave 5. Look what happened. Boing. Right? So when Aussie dollar doing like that, if you know ahead of time, that means you know that the Aussie dollar is going to get weaker, and what will happen to pound Aussie and euro Aussie? They will fly to the upside, because Aussie on the right hand side, and while Aussie USD, Aussie yen, they will be going down. So you have 4 or 5 trade in your hand to pick and choose. Literally, you can pick and choose. Okay, so this is how it is. And these are my, like I said, there's trades. This is today, pound CAD, November 2nd, and also there was this one, pounds, November 2nd, euro yen. It was the entry was on the 1st, November 1st, but closed today. Okay, so 1 or 2 trade like that. That's it. That's all you need. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like I said, if you like what you saw, go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com. Subscribe. Today is Friday. You have Saturday, Sunday. Get the system. Get it on your MT4. Set up the charts and start trading like this from Monday. Okay. So this is it for now. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.